This video is for anyone that wants to try using Google Meet with their students for a morning meeting, morning messages, discussions, or whatever you think will benefit your students. In order to get to Google Meet, you're just going to go over here to your window of Windows or your waffle, whatever you call it, and Google Meet is in there already. So once you click on that, you are just going to hit this green bar that says join or start a meeting and give it a nickname. So you can say Monday, March 30th morning meeting, okay, or whatever you want to call it. And as it gets ready, it might ask you to allow your camera and your microphone, and you need to make sure that you do that. You don't want to block it because then you won't be able to use it. When you hit the Join Now button, you're going to get this window, and you're going to go ahead and you're going to copy this link. And now what you can do is go over to your Google Classroom. And if you organized by date or however you have it organized, you're going to create a material. And you're just going to call it Monday, March 30th morning meeting. You might want to give some directions that says, please join the meeting by 9 a.m. You're going to add a link, and that link is going to be to your Google Meet. And there it is. You're going to put it under March 30th so that everybody knows that's a material for that day. It's going to go to all of your students, and it's in the e-learning classroom, and then you're going to post it. So once it posts, and mine might not because I'm having some internet difficulties this morning, but once it posts, you are just going to have the students click this button, or they're going to see to click the button, and it's going to take them right to this window. It'll ask them probably to allow their camera and microphone, and they can just hit the Join Now button and they will join. Couple of tips. When you join, there's a comment box. When you click it, you get a message window where everyone can be chatting. You want to set some clear expectations at the beginning on how to use this chat box so it doesn't get out of control. You also want to give kids a couple of tips. So I'm going to hide the sharing box here. This microphone icon will mute them, and they won't be able to talk. You might want to have everybody mute at the beginning of morning meetings so that you can talk and they aren't trying to talk over each other or all talk to you at once. And then you can have them mute whenever you feel that it's getting out of control, just to kind of redirect everybody to the next part in your conversation. If they don't want to have their face shown, they can hit the camera button. And what that's going to do is that's going to put an icon up instead of their face. Okay. The comment box can be used in several ways. You can ask a question and they can all answer in there. You'll be able to see little boxes with their faces, so they could raise their hands. They could put little icons of their hands being up, and then you can call on them, however you choose to do it. You just want to make sure that expectations are set immediately so that your morning meetings or conversations can run smoothly and efficiently, and the kids and you can both have a lot of fun with it.